Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Minecraft server. Alright, this is going to be a bucket server without port forwarding. And if you don't know what port forwarding is, it's basically setting up your server so that people can just enter in the IP and then join without any problems. But the way I'm doing it, you're going to need a program called LogMeIn Hamachi that everyone is going to need to connect to. I'll get into that later. Alright, first off, you're going to go to this website right here. I have a link in the description. It's on bucket.org. You're going to download the recommended build of it. I guess I'll just download it. Why not? And that'll take a while. I think I actually have it way down here somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. From when I made my first server. There you go, new folder. Drag it in there. And then you're going to go in... Excuse me. You're going to make a new text document. You're going to open it up. Sorry, this is my other server folder. And you're going to copy the code that I have in the description. Now, this is a code that I will have it set for the recommended amount of RAM on a Minecraft server, but I have it set for 2 gigs. See, 2028 megabytes. 2 gigs of RAM. The recommended is 1. And then you're going to File, Save As, go to All Files, and then type start.bat. And you can just delete this new text document. Alright, and now you're going to hit start.bat. Press any. What is going on here? Uh-oh, that's not good. Okay. Wait a minute, what did I do? Alright. I'm just going to drag in this brand new craftbucket.jar. Hopefully it'll work. And you want to make sure that this name is the exact same as is in your start.bat. Or, what am I? Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. It's 7 in the morning. I have not slept yet. Aren't I a great role model? You want the name of your file to be the same as this name right here. Oh, hold the phone. Hold the phone. Alright. File, save. Alright, now it's running. Alright. And you see, I just had a problem with my thing with my RAM upgrades. So right now it's creating a new world. You can put in any world that you want and just go into your server properties and change the name. Like right now it's creating the world. That's what a server will always create. The world will be named world. But unless you have a world that's created by the server, it will not have the nether or the ender or the end or whatever it's called. I don't know. And here you just spawn animals. You can edit all those how you like. And MOTD. My MOTD is, if you don't know what that is, it is, just log into Minecraft real quick. it is the thing that it'll say underneath. Whoa, what the brown? Whatever. It'll say like a Minecraft server. Mine usually says something else, but I don't. Oh yeah, my server isn't running right now, so it's not gonna say what it actually is. It says, "Hey baby," and you know who I'm talking to. You know who you are. I'll get back to that server properties later. Let's close out of that. Alright, plugins. That's the one good thing about Bucket, is that you can download plugins and just, it's so easy to install them. They usually just come in a jar file and you just drag and drop them in there. They'll work. That's all you need to do. Band IPs, blah, yada, yada, yada. You'll be able to figure it out. Minimize that. Alright. And then this is for the non-port forwarding / anything. Alright. You're going to have everyone on your server go download this program called Hamachi. You're going to have them get the unmanaged version. That's just what you do. Alright. And then you're going to go onto Hamachi. And you're going to create a new network. And then I'll just say like test herpy I don't know, Derpenstein. I don't know. Oh, not that good. Right. And I usually have the username and the network ID and the password be the same thing. Alright, so that's created. Alright, so now you have test herpy Derpenstein. Alright. Mine is, that's mine. I have these. When you just have Hamachi, you're gonna only have 5 people, including yourself, able to connect to your network. Meaning only 5 people can have access to your server. And what I did was I spent $20. It's $20 every year to have 32 spots. And right now I have 9 of those filled. So I'm just going to delete this network because I don't need it. Alright, and then your server IP. This is where you're going to go back into your server properties. Right there. And you are going to, where is it? Server IP. And you're just going to like type it in like 5.123, da 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 da, blah blah blah. Don't save. And I'm not going to do that because I already have a server on that IP address. And then all you have to do is to have them be on the server, you need to make sure, of course, the server's running and that the people have this and they're connected to your network. And I'm making a lot of hand gestures. You can't see it, but I'm making a lot of hand gestures. I am tired. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop recording this, and then I'm gonna put it into Sony Vegas, get it rendering. I'm gonna fall asleep. My dad's picking me up to go to his house in 4 hours. So, that's not good. I need some sleep. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, make sure you put it into a folder. And I'll have like all links and stuff for like websites and everything in the description. I'll have that code that you need to put into the start.bat. It'll be in the description. Everything will be down there. Just check it. It's down there. If you don't trust me, then you're an evil, lying, heartless person. I'll just delete this folder because I don't want it anymore. Yeah. It's open in this thingy. My server. Alright, did you see how that server looked? It was just like a black box that was like really ugly and stuff. This is my server folder. It has a tree on it. I have multiple worlds in it. I'm, moving up in the business. Just click starter.bat. Starts with a really black, ugly box. Yeah, loading all your plugins, loading levels. and then it's done. This is a cool plugin right here. It's called Pale Server Manager, and all you do is install it as a normal plugin, and it'll open it up as like, it looks a lot like the software that comes with the Minecraft server software, which is what I started out with. And then we wanted like mods and plugins. Well, you can't use mods, but we wanted plugins, so I switched it over to a bucket server. And, you know, yeah. Oh, and if you like my background, I will do a tutorial on that. If you like it. It's a program. No, I don't want to. Actually, I'll keep my server up, so when people wake up, they can get on. No, any MPEG, GIF, or WMV can be set as a background. And it's just on a constant loop. I have the Matrix code because, you know, the Matrix is the best movie series ever made. Right after Back to the Future, of course, but I'm a nerd. I like my sci-fi movies. Whatever, I'm getting off topic. That's how you make a server. It's really, like, everyone's like, oh, it's so difficult. Although I don't know how to port forward, so that part is probably difficult. The way I do it is easy. That's it, and goodbye, adios.